On the record in the matter of the people of the city of Lansing versus Shakir Rogers, file number 23-01646. Mr. Rogers, can you state your name for the record, please?
Here, Davion Rogers Jamison.
Okay, I have here a show cause because you, in this file, looks like you were supposed to complete some community service that never was turned in to the court. We reset that multiple times and then you failed to appear. I see that you're in custody. What are you being held on?
Bond condition violation for a home invasion first degree.
Your next court date on that?
April 4th.
Set this until after April 4th. April 15th at 9:15 will be your next court date, okay?
All right.
You're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The record in the matter of the people of the city of Lansing versus Jill Gray, file number 18L2387472, council appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Amanda O'Boyle appearing on behalf of the city of Lansing.
Senator John Lee appearing on behalf of Jill Gray.
Ms. Gray, how are you? I'm well, thank you. Today was the date and the time that we reset this matter. As for failure to display a valid opt, we reset this for 30 days because you had a ticket that you were trying to pay off. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, I have had discussions with Ms. O'Boyle and showed her proof of payment. Ms. O'Boyle has agreed to drop the charge.
Ms. O'Boyle?
Mr. Lee is accurate in his representation. The city has reviewed the proof of payment regarding the single item that was causing the suspension of Ms. Gray's license. At this time, the city moves to dismiss the charge.
You're all set. Thank you. On the record in the matter of the people of the city of Lansing versus Eric Hall, file number is 23-03512, appears for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Amanda O'Boyle on behalf of the city of Lansing.
Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Eric Hall.
Okay, how are you, Mr. Hall?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. I saw you back in January. We reset this for 60 days because you were paying off some tickets to get your license reinstated. We have a status update.
Your Honor, Mr. Hall has been continuing to make payments. He's making another payment today. He's making progress. However, he still has a little bit to go. Tells me that he had a hiccup in that he had a child support payment that was unexpected to him. That was for a few $100s that he had to pay last month. But that this is his top priority and will continue to pay and hopes to have it paid off soon.
Also, court payment was unexpected.
Yeah, I didn't know about it. Just happened to get a call. She called me the day before. And she's like, well, I need to see you down here. They told me, well, I need $700 from her.
At the court?
Yep.
Okay, you didn't know you had a child support order?
Well, I got to get take out my check.
Oh, okay. And
So I didn't know about that.
it was increased or
I
is
guess
this
I
a
had
new
missed
order?
court from the show cost for the first time.
Oh, so you weren't paying child support?
Mm-mm.
No?
No, I'm paying child support. I'm taking out my check.
So I'm confused about the
I missed
unexpected.
court, I guess.
You missed court,
I missed
and-
a show cause court.
but the show cause is because you probably failed to do or show
Exactly, and I had to
something.
show her where they was taking money out of my check. And I
Okay,
also called them was lying, so.
okay, so you were able to get that squared away and there's no more unexpected payments coming?
Yeah, they gave me to pay that
The
700.
payments that are coming are expected now?
Oh, no.
How much money are you supposed to be paying on your tickets?
$25.
How much do you have left to pay off to get your license reinstated, sir? $600?
Yeah.
And how long is it gonna take you to do that? Because I'm not going to set this out for you to make $25 a month payment.
Oh, no, that wasn't the plan either.
Oh, okay, what is the plan?
Who's done it?
I asked you how much you're supposed to be paying, you said $25.
That's what they put me on. With the payment plan, they put me on the side.
Okay, I recognize that they probably did that, but
Well,
if
they
you want
did
your
that.
license
Probably
reinstated,
about a month or something. I'm a traveling CNA, like I said, I can't not have.
oh, you're a
license.
travel CNA, so you're making good money, correct? I don't hear a head
Yes,
nod,
ma'am.
thank you. Okay, so you need about 2 months,
Well, I would say 2 months. I don't need that much, but I'll take 2 months.
we'll give you 30 days then.
No, I said I'll take 2 months.
Oh, okay. You say you don't think you need it.
I'll take about 2 months if you give it to me.
We'll give you 60 days.
May 20th at 9:30.
May 20th at 9:30. Right, then it should be paid off and your license should be reinstated, is what you're saying? Any questions for the court?
No, ma'am.
Any additional matters for the record, counsel?
Nothing for the city, Your Honor. Thank you.
Nothing for the defense, thank you.
You're all set, thank you.
Thank you.
We'll get you a notice to appear. On the
Hey, if you
record
don't
of the
wait
matter of the
long, you-
people of the state of Michigan versus Jafari Littlejohn, file number 23L2827172.
Amanda O'Boyle on behalf of the city of Lansing, Your Honor.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee appearing on behalf of Jafari Littlejohn.
Okay, you're Jafari Littlejohn.
Yes, Ron.
How are you?
Just fine at yourself.
I'm doing well, thank you. Today's the date and the time that was set for a free trial and failure to display a valid license. We reset this so that you could get a probationary license. I have a license, the information sheet. Was there an offer?
I think the offer still stands, Your Honor, at the last one extended by Mr. Venker of pleading to a reduced speeding in a school zone, but then the matter was adjourned to resolve the driving license issues.
Your Honor, the city attorney and I this morning discussed the option of Mr. Littlejohn of pleading guilty to allowing a suspended person to drive. That's how he would like to resolve the open license issue.
Okay, Mr. Will is talking about a speeding. Wasn't that already resolved?
I think that was already resolved. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You want to enter a guilty plea to allowing an unlicensed, I'm sorry, allowing a suspended driver, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give is the truth and the whole truth under penalty of perjury?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Okay, I do have an advice of right to plea information sheet. It's dated for today. There's a signature on this page. Did you read this page?
Yes.
Do you understand all the rights here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about these rights?
No, Your Honor.
And that's your signature, correct?
Yes.
You're willing to give up all of these rights in order to plead to the amended charge of allowing a suspended driver to operate?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand that's a misdemeanor?
Yes.
Okay. You understand that you have the right to have a jury trial in this matter?
Yes.
And you understand your presumption of innocence, so you're innocent until proven guilty.
Yes.
You have the right to require the city prove your guilt at a trial. They have to bring forth sufficient evidence to prove each element of the charge of failure to display valid license beyond a reasonable doubt before you're guilty. You recognize that?
Yes.
You have the right to cross-examine or question any other witnesses they intend to call against you. You have the right to have witnesses subpoenaed on your own behalf to testify, or you can waive your right to silence and testify at your own trial. And you can present evidence at trial that you believe show a defense to the charge being brought against you. If you decide to invoke your right to remain silent, that cannot be used against you at your trial. You recognize all of those rights?
Yes.
Anybody promising you anything to get you to give those rights up?
No, Your Honor.
Has there been any threats made to you to make you want to plead guilty?
No.
As to the amended charge of allowing a suspended driver, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Factual basis.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Littlejohn, on or about December 11th, 2023, were you driving on Saginaw at or near Marshall?
Yes.
And that's in the city of Lansing, county of Ingham, state of Michigan, correct?
Correct.
And at that time, did you allow a person you knew to have a suspended license to drive the vehicle?
Yes.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Any questions from the city?
None, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied with the factual basis. I'll accept your plea. Find your plea to be made freely, voluntarily, and intelligently. I'm assuming he does not have a valid license. Is that correct?
Correct.
No. Why don't you have a valid license still? They wouldn't give you a probationary license?
No, because of the speeding ticket, they said I had to wait a year. I have it right here, the order of it.
Paid the speeding ticket?
Yes.
Fine is $200. When can you make payment?
I'll pay it today.
Okay, we'll get you over to the criminal traffic window so you can make payment. Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing for the city, Your Honor.
Nothing for the defense, Your Honor.
You're all set.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Same to you, sir. On the record in the matter of the people of the city of Lansing versus Joseph O'Connell. Call number is TT 230184660. That's for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Amanda O'Boyle appearing on behalf of the city of Lansing.
Okay,
Morning, Your
Mr.
Honor. Joseph O'Connell. I'm sorry.
Okay, no, you're fine, Joe. You're representing yourself. That's correct.
Yes.
Okay, this is a matter scheduled for a formal hearing for an expired meter.
Yes.
Okay. You're disputing that you owe money on this meter, is that correct?
I'm sorry.
You're disputing that you owe this the violation for this meter?
I don't dispute the original fine, Your Honor. I dispute the way that it was increased.
Okay. Are we ready to proceed with the formal hearing?
Yes.
Ms. O'Boyle?
Your Honor, I don't believe I am. I had Mr. Stables check, and I don't believe that our parking attendant is present in the courtroom or in the court. I have subpoenaed her as well as emailed her this morning, but I don't believe that she is present. I would ask the court's consideration, as this is the first time it's up, that it be adjourned, maybe perhaps to accommodate illness or some other reason. Parking usually is very diligent about appearing in court, and I don't know why Ms. Pickett is not able to attend this morning, but would leave it in the court's discretion to handle the matter how they see fit.
Okay, Mr. O'Connell, how would you like to proceed? Would you like to stipulate, which means agree to their request for an adjournment, or did you want a motion to dismiss for their failure to proceed?
I'd like to submit a motion to dismiss for the failure to proceed. I had to take off work. And
Motion to dismiss is, your motion to dismiss is granted. You're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're out. You're free to go. Okay. Is Ms. Ellen Boss present? Is everybody who's here for our court in here and not outside?
Yes.
Heard from Mrs. Ellen Boss?
Yes, my understanding on, well, I don't have a complete understanding on Ellen Boss is what I should say. When I last spoke to him, he had told me that he had applied for and been granted a 30-day extension on his inpatient status. He also informed me at that time that his insurance would pay for another 30-day extension and that it's likely he would ask for that. I believe his scheduled discharge date on the original 30-day extension was February 25th. I called there several times and asked for confirmation of the fact that he had in fact applied for and been granted an additional 30 days, but I had not received any confirmation to that effect. So my best guess is that he is inpatient. However, I cannot say that I have been confirmed that.
Okay, I'll issue which one.
The court be open to leaving that open for 48-hour pending confirmation?
Well, we need confirmation. I will quash it. I'm not gonna leave it open
Okay.
because he failed to appear. I reset it the last time based on statements that was made without any confirmation of when he actually was going to be discharged. And so we should have had some communication. He's in treatment, possibly. He's not incapacitated. There's no reason why you can't call your attorney and tell them you can't make it to court.
100% agree. Thank you.
Danielle Jones present.
Mr. Jones is here.
And Nicholas Reed present.
Yes, he is.
On the record in the matter of the people of the city of Lansing versus Nicholas Reed. File number is 22-02874. Council appearance.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee appearing on behalf of Nicholas Reed, who is in the courtroom standing to my right.
Mr. Reed, how are you?
Good.
I'm doing well. Today was the date that we set this matter for sentencing. I believe the reason why I set it for sentencing is because there was a victim. Is the victim present?
No, Your Honor.
You can make allocution.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Reed has expressed remorse for this incident. He took responsibility and pled and agreed to pay the restitution which he agrees he rightfully owns. He is a father. He works full-time between the landscaping job that he does and the DoorDash that he does. So he's working hard and wants to set an example for his 13-year-old child. He's expecting another one on the way. And again, has expressed remorse and he takes responsibility. Please.
I don't have a restitution form, and I requested one at the last hearing.
Oh.
Correct, but I can't order it without a restitution form from the city. Can someone bring a restitution form down in the next 2 minutes?
I can have one completed and certainly brought into the court's office.
Are you gonna pay today, sir?
I can pay partial.
Well, you're gonna be ordered to pay restitution and fines and costs. Restitution, I believe the amount is $381. Is that correct?
That's my understanding.
Correct.
There's a $75 crime victim rights fee plus a $50 state minimum cost that you'll be ordered to pay. How much are you gonna pay today?
50.
And how often are you gonna make payments?
Month, that works.
You're making a payment today, correct?
Yes.
Your total fines and costs is $506. You'll make $50 payment today. You'll pay $50 every month on the 18th until paid in full. Do you have any questions for the court about how you make payments? Okay, I need a restitution form so I can get him to the window so that they'll apply his $50 to the restitution first. That was for the other file.
Your Honor, does the court happen to have that form available in electronic form?
I don't have an electronic form. Do we have restitution sheets over there? We have some in the courtroom.
Okay, I will have somebody else come up. Mr. Staples says that he can handle the matter since there's a code matter coming up promptly.
Thank you.
Thank you.
John Roberts here. Do you have an attorney? Said no. Thank you. Did he meet with the city attorney today? Oh, we need to get you, well. Let's see. He needs to meet with the city attorney. You decline representation by the city, by the public defender's office? Okay. You can have a seat, sir. When the city attorney fills that out, we can get you to the window, okay? Are you all set? What's your name? Okay. Mr. Boyle, are you on the code compliance matter?
That should be Matt Staples, Your Honor, and I believe he's on his way up in person in just a moment.
Okay. The parties are here in person as well.
Excellent.
Need the case number?
I got it.
Yes, I'll just take a quick second to talk to Mr. and Mrs. Thomas. I think, I know Zach said that some regarding the property. Some pictures and videos and things like that, so I think at this point, we'd be better off to just set this for a formal hearing, so you have a chance to present that. We're ready to proceed with Ms. Thomas whenever you are, Your Honor.
Okay, sounds good. Actually, no, I could do 11:30. She set it for 11:30. 11:30 to 1. Oh, okay, good. All right, on the record in the matter, for the people of the city of Lansing versus Lakeisha Thomas. File number 24-0013-591. Council appearance.
Matt Staples for the city of Lansing.
Okay, and ma'am, your name?
Keisha Thomas.
And sir, what's your name?
Kenneth Tom.
Okay, today was the date and the time that was set for a co-compliance hearing. Looks like we adjourn this to allow them to continue to remedy the situation about 2 weeks ago. How are we proceeding at this time?
Your Honor, I believe at this point, it would be appropriate to ask for a formal hearing date on this matter. The parties have evidence they wish to present, and I believe wish to contest the violation at this point. So we would ask the court to set a formal hearing date.
They wish to contest the violation, you said?
Correct, and have evidence they would like to present.
You have your evidence today.
Yes.
Have you provided it to the city?
Don't believe so, Your Honor.
Need to be sure to provide that to the city. We wasn't gonna have it today anyways, because I have a meeting in about an hour, but we'll get you a date so that you can proceed with your formal hearing.
April 1st, 11.
April 1st at 11. Is that your evidence that you have there with you?
Yes, well, this is paperwork also and video pictures.
Okay, I'll let you talk to Mr. Staples privately about how he wants to get that evidence. When you come to court, I'm not taking phones to
Right.
get evidence, so you need to get it in a form whereby we can see it. I don't know if you need to bring a laptop. If you bring a laptop, we can let you link it up to the system here to play the video from your device, but you still need to turn over all of your evidence to them so they can review it, okay? Do you have any questions? April 1st at 11 a.m., you'll exchange evidence today. Any additional matters for today?
Nothing for the city, Your Honor.
Thank you, you're all set. We'll get you your notice to appear. Have you seen Jamie Shrugs?
No.
Shrugs, that is?
Nope.
On the record in the matters of the people of the city of Lansing versus Deshaun Roberts. File number 24L2826532 and 31. Council appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Amanda O'Boyle on behalf of the city of Lansing.
State your name for the record, sir.
Deshaun Roberts.
Okay, Mr. Roberts, you're advised previously of your right to be represented by an attorney, and you declined counsel, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you wanted to represent yourself. Correct. Okay, you have one driving while license is expired, and no proof of insurance. You met privately with the city attorney. Ms. O'Boyle, how are you proceeding on this?
Thank you, Your Honor. I did have an opportunity to speak with the defendant, and he was able to produce his valid license and explained that the vehicle in question was not his own and he no longer drives it. At this time, the city moves to dismiss both matters.
Motion to dismiss is granted. You're all set.
Okay, have a good day, Your Honor.
Same to you. Mr. Staples on Scruggs as well.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, on the record in the matter of the people of the city of Lansing versus Jamie Ruth Scruggs. File number is 2400136001. Council appearance.
Matt Staples for the city of Lansing.
Okay, today was the date that was set for a zoning compliance show cause. No one has appeared on behalf of Jamie Scruggs. How would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, I would ask that the court issue a default and a violation in the amount of $150 for a first violation under the city ordinances, and the city would provide the court with a copy of that order under the 7-day rule.
A default will enter, a violation of $150 will apply, and we will get an order under the 7-day rule. I think you need a further date set on this.
Yes, Your Honor, if we could set another date in 30 days, it'd be greatly appreciated.
To April 22nd at 9:30.
April 22nd at 9:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Off the record on that matter. On the record in the matter, the people of the city of Lansing versus Jaquan Lamar Tatum, file number 22-03189. Appearance, please.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee appearing on behalf of Daquan Lamar Tatum.
Matt Staples for the city of Lansing.
Okay, today was the date and time that was set for a pre-trial for operating with a high blood alcohol level. This matter was reset so that Mr. Tatum can get a substance abuse assessment. Was that completed?
He did complete the assessment, Your Honor. I am having difficulty. There is one particular individual over at CMH who doesn't like to give us the assessment information. Mr. Tatum visited this individual and filled out a release of information form. This individual has confirmed for me that that has occurred. However, I still have not received a copy of the report. I am working on that. I hope to have that by the end of the week. And then we'll forward it on to the city attorney. I would imagine if we had a shortage of 2 weeks, we could probably find a way to get this case resolved.
We'll reset it.
April 1st at 10.
April 1st at 10. Do you have any questions today, Mr. Tatum?
No, ma'am.
Any additional matters for the record, counsel?
Nothing for the city, Your Honor.
Nothing for the defense. Thank you.
You're all set. Is Ms. Hagan taking over for Ms. O'Boyle?
Potentially, Your Honor. It's either going to be me or Mr. Staples. We will work that out and let you know.
Okay. On the record in the matter, the people of the city of Lansing versus Martez Alfonso Simmons, file number 23-02272 and 23L2793561. Council appearance.
Matt Staples for the city of Lansing.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Martez Simmons.
Okay, today was the date that we set this matter for another pre-trial. Excuse me. We have a driving unlicensed and then a speeding 1 to 5. He had a road test that was supposed to be scheduled for March 5th. We have an update.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Simmons reports to me that he was shot in the hand and is at the present moment convalescing and healing. He anticipates that he will be able to have functionality of that hand within the next 30 days and needs to reschedule his road test on account of the injury.
Mr. Simmons, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
You injured your hand?
Yes, somebody shot me.
Sorry to hear that. We will adjourn this matter. So you need 30 days to first heal and then you have to reset your road test?
That's what the doctor told me, but one doctor's telling me another thing. But I hope in 30 days I should be good because I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow.
Correct. Well, in 30 days, I'm just trying to figure out, will you have had a road test? You know what, let's just do 30 days and find out an update.
Okay.
How about that?
April 22nd.
April 22nd at 9:30.
Okay.
Do you have any questions today?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing for the city, Your Honor.
Nothing for the defense.
Okay, you're all set for today, Mr. Simmons. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
What's your name on the Wing Tech device, ma'am?
That's Cynthia. I'm not for certain what the device name. My device name starts with an R, I think.
Okay, is Cynthia Green?
Yes, how are you?
Okay, I'm just making sure that was you. All right, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Eddie, would it be possible to get a moment with Miss Green as well?
Yes, just one
Thank you.
moment.
Ms. Nash, would it be possible to have perhaps Matthew Staples join myself and Ms. Roberts in the breakout room?
Yes.
Okay.
We have one more going in the room with it.
You just have to go back to room 3, Mr. Lee.
Okay, thank you.
On the record in the matter of the people of the city of Lansing versus Cynthia Ann Green, file number 21-03394, council appearance.
Matt Staples for the city of Lansing.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Cynthia Ann Green.
Okay, today is the date and the time that was set for a pretrial. Let's see, how are we proceeding on this?
Your Honor, Ms. Green has been in the process of paying her reinstatement fee to the Secretary of State. She entered into an agreement whereby she would pay them $50 at a time. She is making her last payment on her reinstatement fee tomorrow, Tuesday, March 19th. Then she will schedule the road test, and that should be the final step in getting her license.
Very good. Okay, how much time does she need for that?
Probably a couple of weeks, but 30 days would be more than sufficient.
Give me 30 days.
22nd, 9:30.
April 22nd at 9:30. You have any questions today, Ms. Green? I can't hear you, you're muted.
All I can say is I appreciate your patience, and I'm really working hard at this.
Thank you. I'm glad that you are making efforts and that it seems like you're getting close to the goal. So we'll see you April 22nd, hopefully with the ballot license.
Thanks so very much. Have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
Have a good
Stay
one.
warm. Stay warm. It got cold here all of a sudden.
It sure did. Same to you.
Thanks so much. God bless.
Same to you. Is Brad Robeson here? No. On the record in the matter of the people of the city of Lansing versus Brad Robeson, file number 230013761, council appearance.
Matt Staples for the city of Lansing.
Okay, today was the date and time that was reset after a default. After second default, actually. No one's appeared on behalf of Mr. Robeson. How do you want to proceed?
Your Honor, the people of the city of Lansing would request a default for the $500 full fine amount for a third occurrence, and would additionally request an order that the property have an inspection within 30 days. The people will provide said order to the court under the 7-day rule.
Okay, the court will issue a default for the third failure to appear. A fine of $500 will be imposed, and there will be an order under the 7-day rule for the property to be inspected within 30 days. Did you need another date at this time?
Yes, please, Your Honor. If we could have a date in at least 30 days out in case he does not comply with that order.
April 29th at 9:30.
April 29th at 9:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Any additional matters for the record?
None for the city.
Okay, we're off the record on that matter. On the record in the matter of the people of the city of Lansing versus Rango Delgado, file number 240013621. Council appearance.
Matt Staples for the city of Lansing.
What's your name, sir?
Jose Delgado.
Jose Delgado?
Yes.
Okay, Jose Delgado Rango.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, today was the date set for a code compliance show cause. Council, how do you want to proceed?
Your Honor, I have received information from our zoning office that the violation in this case has been remedied, and therefore the city would move to dismiss at this point.
Motion to dismiss is granted. You're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. On the record in the matter of the people of the city of Lansing versus Jessica Marie Lowe, file number is 20L25544751. Council appearance.
Matt Staples for the city of Lansing.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Jessica Lowe.
Okay, Ms. Lowe, can you hear me? I can't hear you if you can hear me.
Yeah, I've got bad signal, I guess. I can hear you though.
Okay, very good. Today was the date and the time that was reset for an expired license. Let's see. How are we proceeding on this?
Your Honor, Ms. Lowe had the challenge of starting with no documents to get her license. She has procured her state ID, which she needed in order to get her birth certificate because she needed to fill out a notarized form and she needed some form of identification to complete the notary process. So she now has her state ID and is applying for her birth certificate. She anticipates that she should have the birth certificate in 2 weeks, and then we'll be able to begin testing and license process.
Okay, I'll send it out 30 days. April 22nd at 10 is your next court date, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. You're all set for today unless you have questions for the court.
What was that time again?
At 10 o'clock on April 22nd.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. You're all set. Have we seen James Hall?
I have not seen Mr. Hall yet.
Sure, bring warrant. On the record, in the matter of the people of the city of Lansing versus China Nicole Roberts, file number 23-03004 and 23L27745592. Council appearance.
Matt Staples for the city of Lansing.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of China Roberts.
Okay, Mr. Roberts, today was the date that we reset this matter after being advised that you had a permit and you were applying for your road test. Do we have an update, Mr. Lee?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Roberts has in fact obtained her license. The city attorney has confirmed that. She has also presented proof of insurance to the city attorney.
Mr. Staples.
That is correct, Your Honor, and the city would move to dismiss at this point.
Motion to dismiss is granted. You're all set, Ms. Roberts.
Thank you.
You're welcome. On the record, in the matter of the people of the city of Lansing versus Douglas Prather, file number 24-00332, council appearance.
Matt Staples for the city of Lansing.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Douglas Prather.
And that's Douglas Prater Jr., correct?
Yep, that's correct.
Okay, very good. Today was the date and the time that was scheduled for a pretrial on failure to stop an ID after property damage accident. How are we proceeding on this, council?
Your Honor, the city has offered Mr. Prather an opportunity to an amended charge of failure to report an accident. and Mr. Prather has agreed to plead thusly.
Is that correct, Mr. Prather?
Yep, that's correct.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give is the truth and the whole truth under penalty of perjury?
I do.
Okay, put your hand down. Okay, Mr. Prather, the people are offering to amend your charge to a failure to report an accident. You have the right in this matter to proceed to a trial, and you have the right to a jury trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you have the right to the presumption of innocence, so you're innocent until proven guilty. You have the right to require the city prove your guilt by proving each element of the charge being brought against you beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand those rights so far?
Yes, I do.
You have the right to question or cross-examine any of the witnesses the city intends to call against you. You have the right to subpoena witnesses to testify on your own behalf, or you can present evidence that you believe show a defense to the charge being brought against you. You can also waive your right to be silent at your trial and give your own testimony. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, you do understand that although it's amended, it's still a misdemeanor. It's just non-abstractable, meaning it's not reported to the Secretary of State. You understand that?
Yep.
Is that a yes?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
Yes?
Yes. Yep.
Anybody threatening you to get you to waive your rights and plead guilty to the amended charge?
No.
Has there been any promises made to you in exchange for a guilty plea to the amended charge?
No.
So as to a failure to report an accident, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Actual basis, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Prather, on or about October 31st, 2023, were you driving in a vehicle on Moores River Drive at Todd Avenue?
Yes.
Okay, and that's in the city of Lansing, county of Ingham, state of Michigan, correct?
Correct.
Okay, and on that occasion, did you back your vehicle, a Dodge Durango, into a parked Chevrolet Impala?
Yeah.
Okay, and did you fail to report that accident?
Yes.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Any questions from the city?
None from the city, Your Honor.
Okay, the court is satisfied with the factual basis, and I'll accept your plea. I find it to be freely, voluntarily, and intelligently made. And your office has a victim on this matter, Mr. Staples?
Correct, Your Honor. There is a victim on this matter, so we would ask that this be set for sentencing.
April 1st. April 1st at what time? April 1st at 9 a.m.
Your Honor, Mr. Prather does work third shift. He has a request, if possible, would there be something around 11 a.m.?
Didn't we set something for trial? Yeah, no, 8 April 1st at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Any additional matters for the record today?
Nothing for the city, Your Honor.
Nothing for the defense. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're all set, Mr. Prather.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Did we see Jamal Weatherspoon today?
Yes, he's here.
Oh, he's hiding behind you, Mr. Lee. I couldn't see him. On the record in the matters of people of the city of Lansing versus Jamal Mitchell Witherspoon, I have file number 24L2838392 and 91, council appearances.
Matt Staples for the city of Lansing.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Jamal Mitchell Witherspoon.
How are you, Mr. Witherspoon?
Doing well, Your Honor. How are you doing this morning?
I'm doing well, thank you. Okay, I have two files. One is a pretrial for failure to display ops, and the other was a explanation hearing for a traffic signal. How are we proceeding, council?
Your Honor, we have been working with the city attorney first to resolve the no ops matter. To that end, Mr. Mitchell Witherspoon has an appointment tomorrow with the Secretary of State to take his test and get his permit. After 30 days, he'll be allowed to take his road test, and then he should be fully licensed.
Set it for 30 days for a update. Mr. Lee, my expectation is that you'll be in contact with him before that next court date. You'll advise the court off the record if he's gotten a permit or not, and if we can reset that for his next date following his road test. So you make sure you have his contact information, and then he's gonna make sure he answers your call when you call him before court.
Sounds good, Your Honor.
Okay. We'll get you a new court date. April 22nd. April 22nd at 10. Do you have any questions today?
Good night, Your Honor.
Any additional matters for the record?
None for the city, Your Honor.
Nothing for the bench, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We'll get you a notice to appear. Have we seen Carly Hester?
I have spoke with Mr. Hester, Your Honor. Mr. Hester, to the best of my understanding, is in Grand Rapids with his sister. I have advised her that he has court today and asked if it's possible that he can utilize her phone to be here really soon this afternoon if the court will allow.
Why didn't he come this morning?
That I don't know. I have not actually been able to speak with him. I was only able to speak with his sister.
He can come by 2 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, I should say.
Okay.
And then Maurice Jordan.
I spoke with Mr. Jordan, but I have not seen him today.
Okay, which one? I think that's all I have until 1:30. Well,
Thank you,
all
Your
have
Honor.
1:15. I have a meeting till 1:30. All right. Thank you.
Your Honor.